Ever wondered how bell peppers could be a game changer for your skin health? Well, you're about to find out. In the realm of skincare, we often overlook the power of our diet, especially the humble bell pepper. This vibrant vegetable, available in various colors, hides an unexpected secret to radiant skin. Today we're diving into the fascinating correlation between bell peppers and skin health. Are you intrigued? I bet you are. Stay tuned to unravel the mystery of bell peppers and skin health. Bell peppers, a common ingredient in our kitchens, hides numerous skin health benefits within its vibrant colors. Just look at the rainbow of bell peppers available in your local grocery store. Red, yellow, green, orange, each color a testament to the pepper's rich supply of nutrients. These aren't just tasty veggies, they're packed with vitamins A, C, E, and a wealth of antioxidants, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. Let's start with vitamin A. This nutrient is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting skin health. It helps to speed up healing, prevent breakouts, and support the skin's immune system. It also promotes natural moisturizing, which means it helps the skin stay hydrated, giving it a radiant and youthful look. Next up is vitamin C. This vitamin is a superstar in the world of skincare. It's a potent antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals in the skin. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can cause damage to your skin's collagen, leading to premature aging. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen production, the protein that gives our skin its firmness and strength. Then there's vitamin E. This nutrient is essential for nourishing the skin and protecting it from damage caused by free radicals. It's also known for its moisturizing properties, so it keeps your skin hydrated and soft. Lastly, bell peppers are full of antioxidants. These compounds combat oxidative stress, which can lead to a host of skin issues, including wrinkles, inflammation, and even skin cancer. Antioxidants help to repair damaged skin cells, promoting a healthier and more youthful complexion. All these nutrients work together in a symphony of skin health, each playing their part to keep your skin glowing, healthy, and youthful. And the best part? They're all found in the humble bell pepper. So, bell peppers are indeed a secret ingredient for radiant and healthy skin. Now that you know the magic, let's delve into the science behind it. Bell peppers, despite their humble appearance, pack a punch when it comes to skin health. The secret lies in their rich content of vitamins and antioxidants. Let's explore how these elements work together to create a symphony of benefits for your skin. First, let's talk about antioxidants. These are substances that help protect your cells against free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules produced when your body breaks down food or when you're exposed to tobacco smoke or radiation. Over time, the damage from these radicals can lead to signs of aging, like wrinkles and fine lines. Antioxidants can neutralize these radicals, preventing them from causing damage. Bell peppers are rich in antioxidants, making them a true ally in combating skin aging. Next up is vitamin A. This vitamin is often referred to as the skin vitamin due to its crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. It helps the skin retain moisture, leading to a rejuvenated and supple appearance. Vitamin A is also essential for the repair and renewal of skin cells. Bell peppers, particularly the red variety, contain a good amount of this vital nutrient. Now let's discuss vitamin C. This vitamin is a powerhouse when it comes to skin health. It promotes collagen production, which is a protein that gives your skin its firmness and strength. As we age, our body's collagen production decreases, leading to sagging skin and wrinkles. By boosting collagen production, vitamin C helps maintain the skin's elasticity and youthfulness. Bell peppers are an excellent source of this vitamin. Lastly, we have vitamin E. This vitamin is known for its ability to protect the skin from sun damage. It absorbs harmful UV light from the sun when applied topically, helping to prevent dark spots and wrinkles. While eating bell peppers won't replace your sunscreen, the vitamin E they provide can contribute to overall skin health. Armed with this science, you can appreciate the powerful impact of bell peppers on your skin. Knowing the benefits of bell peppers is one thing, but how can you incorporate them into your diet for maximum skin health benefits? Bell peppers are incredibly versatile, and their vibrant colors and sweet crunch can brighten up any meal. One of the simplest ways to enjoy them is to slice them up and add them raw to your salads. Their natural sweetness pairs beautifully with the fresh greens and other veggies, and you'll be getting a good dose of skin-boosting nutrients with each crunchy bite. If you're more of a hot meal person, bell peppers are a great addition to stir-fries, casseroles, and even pizzas. They hold their shape well when cooked, and their sweet flavor mellows out and blends seamlessly with other ingredients. Just remember to not overcook them, as excessive heat can reduce their nutrient content. And what about snacks? Bell peppers have got you covered there too. Slice them into thick strips and serve them with a side of hummus or guacamole. Not only will this curb your afternoon cravings, but it'll also give your skin a nourishing boost. The key here, of course, is consistency. Including bell peppers in your diet occasionally won't bring about noticeable changes in your skin health, but make them a regular part of your meals, and you'll soon see a difference. With these simple tips, bell peppers can easily find a place in your meals and your skincare routine. As we wrap up, remember that the journey to healthy skin is not a sprint but a marathon. Consistency is key, and incorporating bell peppers into your diet regularly can yield remarkable results over time. The vibrant hues of these veggies aren't just pleasing to the eye, they're packed with essential nutrients that can help rejuvenate your skin from within and lend it an enviable glow. Bell peppers, with their high vitamin C content, serve as a natural antioxidant, helping to combat skin-damaging free radicals. They also aid in the production of collagen, a protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. So, don't let the bell pepper skin health mystery baffle you any longer. Embrace these colorful powerhouses in your meals and let their magic work wonders on your skin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such enlightening content. Bell peppers are not just a colorful addition to your plate but a powerful ally for your skin. Here's to glowing skin with bell peppers.